Can you actually buy a powerful electric dirt bike on Amazon without spending a fortune? Most people think you need 5 or 6 grand to get anything close to real performance. But that's not true anymore. Hidden deep in Amazon's listings are electric bikes that deliver legit speed, torque, and trail power, all without the gas, noise, or crazy price tag. These aren't kids' toys. We're talking about real machines that can hit over 35 miles an hour, rip through dirt trails, and still cost less than a used scooter. Some look like futuristic motorbikes, others like old-school dirt racers brought back to life. So today, we're counting down 8 of the cheapest electric dirt bikes on Amazon. The ones that prove you don't need deep pockets to go fast. And trust me, the last one on this list is going to surprise you. Number 8. Happy Run G100 Pro. The Happy Run G100 Pro is one of those bikes that instantly makes you double take when you see the price. It's cheap, but it doesn't feel cheap. Packing a 1500-watt brushless motor and a 48-volt battery, this thing can reach around 30 to 35 miles per hour, which is insane for something at $2,300. It's built for both city streets and dirt trails, with fat off-road tires and front suspension that can handle a surprising amount of punishment. You won't get top-tier build quality like a Sur-Ron, but for beginners or casual riders, it's a solid entry point into electric dirt biking. And here's the kicker. Riders say it looks like a mini Super 73, but for a fraction of the price. So if you want that electric scrambler style without the 4-figure budget, the G100 Pro is your cheapest ticket to the game. Number 7. GT73 Pro. At number 7, the GT73 Pro stands out as a compelling budget electric dirt bike that punches above its price. With a 2,400 bottle high-torque motor and a top speed around 37 to 50 miles per hour, it delivers surprising performance for the size. Its dual battery setup, 48-volt 36.4 Ah, offers up to 85 miles of throttle-only range or as much as 155 miles with pedal assist. What makes this bike intriguing is how it blends casual level entry cost with features you don't usually see. 25-inch fat tires, dual hydraulic disc brakes, and a full suspension setup built for mixed terrain. Riders say it looks like a motorcycle more than a typical e-bike. But for $2,298, it still means compromises. If you're on a budget but want genuine off-road capability and size closer to a dirt bike rather than a compact commuter e-bike, the GT73 Pro is a legit contender. And coming up next, we'll explore a model that pushes power and price even further. Number 6. Tudio Sole01. At number 6, the Tudio Sole01 proves you don't need to spend 5 grand to ride off-road. It's built around a 48-volt, 2,000-watt rear hub motor, hitting a top speed of about 37 miles per hour and offering a range of up to 45 miles per charge under moderate conditions. Despite its affordable tag of $1,200, it's equipped with features you'd expect at much higher prices. Hydraulic brakes, dual-sized fat tires, 14 is front, 12 rear for added traction, and a full suspension-style setup to handle rough terrain. What makes the Sole01 stand out is the feel. It rides more like a real off-road mini dirt bike than just a city e-bike. For beginners, weekend trail outings, or anyone on a tight budget, this bike shows that electric off-road fun is more accessible than ever. But before I go to the next bike, if you enjoy this countdown, please give a like. Number 5. Coswheel GT20. At number 5, the Coswheel GT20 proves that you don't need an army budget to get real off-road capability. Its peak brushless motor hits around 1,500 watts, rated at 1,000 watts, and it uses a 48-volt battery with up to 25 hours, giving a throttle-only range up to 50 miles under ideal conditions. The GT20 rides on fat 20 Nines 4-force tires, has dual disc brakes, and a sturdy aluminum alloy frame, all built to handle dirt, sand, or gravel just like bigger bikes. It may not boast the 40+ miles per hour top speeds of high-end electric motocross machines, but for its price of $1,700, it delivers serious value. At this level, the GT20 is a smart pick for beginners or budget-minded riders who still want a real ride. Number 4. Yasma IN10. The Yasma IN10 slides into number 4 with a punch. Its 2,600W motor rockets this bike to up to 40 miles per hour, more speed than you'd expect at this price point. Paired with a 48-volt 23Ah battery, the IN10 gives you around 50 miles of range, so you're not just riding, it's a ride that lasts. What really sets it apart is build quality, full suspension prepped for trails, hydraulic disc brakes that stop on demand, and a frame that handles rough terrain like it's built for it. All this for a budget-friendly tag of about $113.99. If you're looking for off-road performance without spending thousands, the IN10 is proof you can have both power and practicality in one package. Number 3. Masimo E14. At number 3, the Masimo E14 blends affordability with real off-road capability. It features a 1,000 Vado mid-drive motor that provides solid torque and a top speed close to 40 miles per hour, giving it more punch than most commuter e-bikes. The bike is built around a rugged steel frame with fat tires and a suspension setup designed for trail riding, making it surprisingly capable for rough terrain. With a price around $1,499 on Amazon, it's a smart pick for riders who want a true dirt bike feel without spending thousands. Number 2. Windon K20. At number 2, the Windon K20 blends budget-friendly pricing with surprisingly solid performance. It features a 48-volt 15-amp-hour battery and a peak motor output around 1,000 watts, delivering a top speed in the range of 20 to 28 miles per hour, or up to 46 plus miles per hour in unlocked form, and a claimed range of up to 60 miles with pedal assist. With fat 26 Ingrams x 4-reach tires, front suspension, and full hydraulic disc brakes, the K20 provides a ride quality that punches far above its price point of $899.99. If you're hunting for a budget electric dirt-style bike that gives you more than the bare minimum, the Windon K20 is a strong contender. Number 1. Razer MX 650 Dirt Rocket. At number 1, the Razer MX 650 Dirt Rocket brings electric dirt riding to an accessible level. With a 650-watt motor and chain drive design, it's built to provide off-road thrills at a budget-friendly price. According to the manufacturer, it reaches a top speed of about 17 miles per hour and offers up to 40 minutes of continuous use per charge. The MX 650 features dual suspension, hand-operated front and rear disc brakes, and knobby pneumatic tires, 16 inches front and 14 inch rear, for grip on loose terrain. Its steel frame and motocross-inspired geometry give it a real dirt bike feel, even though it's aimed at younger or budget riders. It's designed for riders up to 220 pounds, which is impressive for its class. If you're on a tight budget but want that electric dirt bike experience, not just a toy, then the MX 650 is a solid choice to get started. So there you have it. 8 of the cheapest electric dirt bikes you can actually find on Amazon right now. From the sleek Windon K20 and the sturdy Masimo E14 to the budget legend Razer MX 650, each one proves you don't need a huge budget to experience real off-road excitement. These bikes might not break speed records, but they're changing the game by making electric dirt riding accessible to anyone. Whether you're a beginner, a commuter who likes weekend trails, or just someone looking for pure fun without the gas or maintenance, these rides deliver more value than their price tags suggest. And remember, the next generation of electric dirt bikes isn't just coming. It's already here, and it's cheaper than you think.